Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. Good morning to everyone. All are warm welcome to our online class. My dears, we have completed the first term and we have written the examination. Alhamdulillah. In not too distant future, your result will be published. Okay, today we are going to start the next term of our academic year. In this term, we have to discuss about decimals, percentage, profit and loss, bills, measurements, and the second part of this term we have to discuss time and calendar, average, perimeter, area and volume, representation of data, patterns. Inshallah, today we will discuss some important points related with the decimals. Okay, today let us discuss about decimals. What is decimal? I think it is first yes, decimals. What is decimals? There is a chart. Let us begin. Write the places of each digit. There are digits and you have to fulfill the places. Write the number name. Write the decimal. Write as fraction. Okay. You don't worry about the decimals. I just write the 4 digits here. 45.29. 45.29. What is this? Can you say the places of these digits? ഈ നമ്പറുകളുടെ പ്ലേസസ് ഏതാണ്? Yes, 5. The place of ones. Sure, ones. Then 4. Yes, sure. Which is? Yes, tens. Then which place this? ഈ 2, 9. ഇവകൾ ഏത് പ്ലേസിലാണ് പെടുക? Which places? Don't you know? Yes. Here we have to discuss about the decimals. This is the symbol of decimal. This point is the symbol of decimal. Okay. Then 2, 9. Yes. In this chapter we have to discuss this like numbers, digits. Okay. We know the places of these numbers, but we have no any idea about these 2 digits. Okay. Yes. Then at the page number 7. In the earlier class we studied that the place value of a digit becomes 1/10 as the digits moves from left to right by 1 place. Take a look at this place value chart. There is place value chart, thousands, hundreds, tens, ones. Then decimal point, tenth, hundreds, thousands. Tens, hundreds, thousands. Okay, here tens, this is hundreds, then thousands. Okay, yes, you have to take your textbook and please read this chart. Okay, എല്ലാവരും നിർബന്ധമായും ബുക്ക് തുറക്കുക. 67-ാമത്തെ പേജിൽ കാണുന്ന ഈ ചാർട്ട് എടുത്തൊന്ന് ശരിക്ക് പരിശോധിക്കുക. യു ക്യാൻ സീ ദാറ്റ് ദ പ്ലേസ് വാല്യൂസ് ഓഫ് ദ numbers we have learned. Yes, thousands, then hundreds, then tens, then ones. Then difference between these places tens time, sure, because 1 into 10 tens, 10 into 10 hundreds, 100 into 10 thousands. Okay, yes, here the decimals, after the decimals point, this is in the place of 1 by 10, 1 by 10, 1 by 10. Here 1 by 100, 1 by 100. That is the important point in our this chapter. Okay, there are 3 points we have to learn very carefully. First one, the place value of the digit 1 as it moves right by one place from the ones places is 1 by 10 or 1/10. What is 1/10? 1 by 10 or 1/10. This is known as the tenth place. Tenth place. Here this is in tenth place. Tenths. This is in 100th place. Okay, we can use the small letter for tenths and we can use the small letter for hundredths. Okay, yes. Then 1/10 is written. 1/10 is written 1 point. 0.1. Sorry, 1/10. How can you write this 1/10? 1 by 10 or 1/10. How can you write? എങ്ങനെയാണ് 1 by 10 എന്നുള്ളത് എഴുതുക? Yes, sure, 0.1. 0.1. Okay, 0.1. That is the way of writing 1 by 10. Okay, 0.1. Sure? Yes. Then we always write 0.1 as 0.1. Yes, 0.1 is the form of return 1/10. You can write a 0 also before the point. Okay, then 0.1. 0.1. Did you understand? 0.1. 1 by 10s. You can write 0.1. Yes. Then 1 as 0.1 to show that the number in the ones place is 0. It means in the ones place 0. Okay. ഒറ്റയുടെ സ്ഥാനത്ത് 0 ആണ്. The tensന്റെ സ്ഥാനത്ത് 1 ആണ്. It is why we have to write 0.1. Okay, yes. Then this is red. How can you read this? This is red. Yes, as 0.1. 0.1 is known as the decimal point. Okay, this point is known as the decimal point. It separates the fractional part from the whole number part. Okay, it separates. This part. This point is decimal point. It is known as decimal point, and it divides two parts. This digits, it is fractional part and it is whole number part, because 45 is a whole number but 29 is not a whole number. It is not 29 but 29.29. Okay, then this is the fractional part. So decimal point separates the whole number and a fractional part. Okay, yes. Then second point, my dears, you have to write down in your notebook all these important points. Okay, it is your duty. Second point, as one moves to the right by one place from the tens place, the place value changes to 1 by 100 or 100ths. This is hundreds place. We write 100ths as 0.01 and read it as 0.01. Okay, as one moves to the right by one place from the tens place, the place value changes. Please listen here. From this, it is in the place of 1 by tens, 1/10. Then if we read 1 point to right from this point, this place, if we move at the right side for at least 1 point, then it becomes 1/10. 100ths. 1 by 100. Okay, ഈ പ്ലേസിൽ നിന്ന്, ടെൻസിന്റെ പ്ലേസിൽ നിന്ന് വലത്തേക്ക്, റൈറ്റിലേക്ക് നമ്മൾ ഒരു പോയിന്റ് നീങ്ങുന്ന സമയത്ത് നമ്മൾ എത്തുന്നത് 1.100ലേക്കാണ്. 1 by 100ലേക്ക്, ഹൺഡ്രഡ്സ് എന്നാണ് അറിയപ്പെടുന്നത്, അതിലേക്ക് മാറുന്നു. ഇത് എങ്ങനെയാണ് എഴുതുക? 1 by 100 എങ്ങനെയാണ് എഴുതുക? How can you write 1 by 100? We can write 1 by 10 as this, 0.1. Then 1 by 100? Yes, 1 by 100. Then you can 0, because there is no any whole number. Then you can write 0, then point, then 0.1. 0.01. Here 1 by 10 can be written like 0.1. Then 1 by 100 is written as 0.01. Okay, it is very important. Here only 1 0, then there is only 1 0. Here 2 0, then there is 2 0. Okay, 2 0, it is not important, but the point there is only one digit after the point, and here there are 2 digits after the point, decimal point. Okay, ഇവിടെ ഒരു പൂജ്യമേ ഉള്ളൂ. അതുകൊണ്ട് തന്നെ ഡെസിമൽ പോയിന്റ് കഴിഞ്ഞതിന് ശേഷം ഒരു നമ്പറെ അവിടെ, ഒരു ഡിജിറ്റേ അവിടെ ഉണ്ടാവുകയുള്ളൂ. അതുപോലെ ഇവിടെ 1 by 100, അത് ഡെസിമൽ 2 സീറോകളുണ്ട്. ഇവിടെ 1 by 100ൽ 2 സീറോകളുണ്ട്. അതുകൊണ്ട് തന്നെ ഡെസിമൽ പോയിന്റിന് ശേഷം 2 ഡിജിറ്റ് ഉണ്ടായിരിക്കും. ഇവിടെ only 1 by 100 ആയതുകൊണ്ട് ഇവിടെ 0 കൂടി ഉണ്ടാവും, 0 1. Okay, yes. Then it is read 0.01. Similarly, as one moves to the right by one place from the hundreds place, its place value becomes 1 by 1000 or 1,000th. This is the thousands place. We write 1,000s as 0.001 and read it as 0.001. Then please listen here. Then if there is any other number, just imagine 3, then it is in the place of 1 by 1000, 1 by 1000, 1,000. So it is written like 0.001, 0.001, because there are 3 digits after the decimal point. There are 3 digits after the decimal point, because there are 3 digits, there are 3 zeros in 1000. It is why there should be 3 digits after the decimal point. Okay? Yes. Consider the decimal number. There is a decimal number 4659.217. Then question, you have to write the place values of this number. Place values of this number. Can you? Yes. This is the number. Can you write the place values of these digits? Place values of these digits. I will give 2 minutes. You have to write in your notebook or a rough book the place values of these digits. Okay, try your best. Okay, did you get? Yes. This 4 at the place of 1000, 6 at the place of 100, 5 at the place of tens, 9 at the place of ones, then point, decimal point, then 2 at the place of tenth. What is tenth? Tenths, what hundredths, 7 thousandths. Okay, 1 by 10, 1 by 100, 1 by 1000. Okay, what is the expanded form of this number? Expanded form of this number. Can you write the expanded form of this number? Yes, expanded form of this number 4000 plus 600 plus 550 plus 9 plus 2 by 10 plus 1 by 100 plus 7 by 1000. Okay, this is the expanded form of this number. Listen here, the expanded form: 2 by 10, 1 by 100, 7 by 1000, because these are in the place of tenths, hundredths, 10,000ths. Okay, very simple. Then Here some examples to write the expanded form. There are another example 445.045 sorry 045. You don't read this 217. It is not correct. It is fault. The correct reading is 217.217. Okay. Then what is the expanded form of 445.045? Can you? Yes. 400. This 40. This 5. Then this 0. You cannot read. You don't write 0 by 10. It is not. There is no any digit in the place of at the place of tens. Then 4 by 100. 5 by 1000. Okay. You can avoid this 0. There is no any digits at the place of tens. Okay. Yes. Then we have studied the decimal digits, decimal point, the two parts of decimal number, whole number and fractional. Whole number part and fractional part. Let us discuss then converting fractional numbers into decimals. Converting fractional number into decimal. If you get a fraction number, how can you convert this fraction number into decimal number? Can you? Very simple. I have just described at the first of this class. Okay. Yes, let us try. When the denominator is 10, 100 or 1000. Yes, first we are going to study the converting fractional number. Which fractional number? The denominator is 10 or 100 or 1000. Okay. Fractional numberകളുടെ denominator 10 ഓ 100 ഓ 1000 ഓ ആയ ഫ്രാക്ഷണൽ നമ്പറുകളെ എങ്ങനെയാണ് ഡെസിമൽ നമ്പർ ആക്കുക എന്നതാണ് നമ്മൾ ഫസ്റ്റ് ആയി സ്റ്റഡി ചെയ്യുന്നത്. ഓക്കെ. യെസ്. ഇറ്റ് ഈസ് വെരി സിമ്പിൾ. ദർ ആർ 3 steps. ഫസ്റ്റ് സ്റ്റെപ്പ്, write the numerator. First you have to write the numerator. There is an example. I will 9 by 10. This is a fraction. Which fraction? Which type of fraction? The denominator is 10. Our condition is denominator must be 10 or 100 or thousands or 10,000. Okay. The places of the digits. Then it is very simple to convert this fraction into decimal. ഈ ഫ്രാക്ഷനെ നമുക്ക് ഡെസിമൽ ആക്കി മാറ്റണം. How can you? Yes. First step, write the numerator. Which is the numerator here? Here this 9 is numerator, 10 is denominator. Then we have to write 9. First, write the numerator. Then second step, count the number of zeros in the denominator. ഡിനോമിനേറ്ററിലുള്ള സീറോകൾ എണ്ണുക. യെസ്. എത്ര സീറോകളുണ്ട് ഇവിടെ? യെസ്, only 1 0. Only 1 0. Yes, we have counted. After that, the step of 3. Yes, starting from the extreme right of the numerator. Extreme right. Here only 1 digit. So if it is like this 878, then just imagine this is the new, another fraction number. Then how can you first you have to write the numerator. You have to numerator. After that you have to count the zeros of denominator. Then what can you do? Starting from the extreme right. Extreme right means here 8, here only 9. There are two examples, here 8. Then starting from the extreme right of the numerator, skip equal number of places to the left as the number of zeros and place the decimal point. It is very, very important point. What is this? You have to write the zeros, the number of zeros you have to count. Yes. ഇതിൽ എത്ര സീറോ ഉണ്ട്, ഡിനോമിനേറ്ററിൽ എത്ര സീറോ ഉണ്ട് എന്ന് നമ്മൾ ആദ്യം കണ്ടെത്തണം. ഇവിടെ നമ്മൾ കണ്ടെത്തി only 1. Then you have to here only 1. Then after that you have to avoid or leave the digits equal for the zero. What is? You have to start from the right. ഏറ്റവും വലതുഭാഗത്തിൽ നിന്ന് തുടങ്ങി. ഇവിടെ 8ൽ നിന്ന് നമ്മൾ തുടങ്ങുന്നു. 8 and 7 then 8. ഓക്കെ, വലത്തിൽ നിന്ന് ഓരോ ഡിജിറ്റിനെയും ഒഴിവാക്കണം. എങ്ങനെ ഒഴിവാക്കേണ്ടത്? എത്ര സീറോകളാണോ ഉള്ളത് അതിനനുസരിച്ച് ശ്രദ്ധിക്കുക. എത്ര സീറോകളാണോ ഉള്ളത് അതിനനുസരിച്ച് വലതുഭാഗത്തിൽ നിന്ന് ഓരോ ഡിജിറ്റും ഒഴിവാക്കണം. അങ്ങനെ വരുമ്പോൾ ഇവിടെ ഒരു സീറോ ഉള്ളൂ. ദെൻ ഇവിടെ ഒരു 8 മാത്രമാണ് നമ്മൾ ഒഴിവാക്കേണ്ടത്. എന്നിട്ട് ഈ ഡെസിമൽ പോയിന്റ് അവിടെ കൊടുക്കണം. ദെൻ you can give the decimal point here because we just ഇവിടെ only ഒരു ഡിജിറ്റ് മാത്രം ഡെസിമൽ പോയിന്റിന് ശേഷം ഉണ്ടാകാൻ പാടുള്ളൂ. കാരണം ഇവിടെ only 1 0 is there as in decimal in denominator ഇവിടെ ഒരു 0 മാത്രമേ ഉള്ളൂ. ഇനി ഇവിടെ 100 ആണെങ്കിൽ please imagine if it is the 100, this denominator 100 ആണെങ്കിൽ then you have to count the zeros. Yes, here 2 zeros, here 2 zeros. Then you have to leave 2 digits. You have to leave 2 digits because there are 2 zeros. Then 8 7, not from here, not from left side. Then you have to leave the digits from right side. Then 8 7. Then you have to put the decimal point here. Okay? Yes. This is the condition. Eight point 8.78. Then here only 1 0, then only 1 digit. Then you have to point here and 0 0.9. Okay, very simple, converting the fractional number into decimal number. Okay, fractional numbers into decimals. Okay, yes. Then there is another example. If here 100, okay, what will do? You have to write first the numerator. First you have to write the numerator. Then there are 2 zeros. Then only 1 digits here. Then what will do? You have to put the decimal point after 2 digits. Before 2 digits. Then 9, and you have to put another 0 here because there is only ഇവിടെ ഒരു ഡിജിറ്റ് മാത്രമേ ഉള്ളൂ. എന്നാൽ 2 0 ഉണ്ടാകുമ്പോൾ